At QIAGEN, we are a world leader in sample-to-insight solutions and are helping more than 500,000 customers worldwide gain valuable molecular insights from any biological sample. Molecular insights are transforming our daily lives in ways we cannot even imagine. From breakthroughs into the building blocks of life, DNA and RNA, to the development of new drugs, improved public safety, and advances in clinical healthcare. Our work is essential for QIAGEN to help address the varied and fast-changing needs of these customers. But we cannot do it without an outstanding global support network, QIAGEN Business Services. QBS has been operating in Wrocław, Poland since 2012, and in Manila, the capital of the Philippines, since 2018. These two centers are a key element of QIAGEN's ability to deliver on its mission of offering sample-to-insight solutions that enable customers to gain the valuable molecular insights that are going to make a difference in our lives. They are essential in engaging with customers, continuously optimizing and streamlining end-to-end processes, consistently delivering on key performance indicators, enabling scalability and 24-hour coverage, and much, much more. In all our actions, we strive for excellence. Continuous improvement is easier when all of the experts and key contributors are in one place, sharing their knowledge and cooperating with each other in ways not possible with fragmented teams. We could not do this outstanding work if we did not develop our teams with trusted people. Our passion and engagement help us to keep our focus on the bigger picture and help QIAGEN succeed.
QIAGEN.
Sample to insight.